Hello, geometry students. It's been a long time. I miss all of you people, and I know you miss me. Right now, I'm going to show you how to do number 27 on page 679. This problem, we're trying to find the area of a regular decagon, the radius 5 feet. Decagon has 10 sides, as I know you're aware of that. This works for any regular polygon, okay? You just need to know how many sides there are, and you need a little bit more information. Here we have radius is 5 feet. That's the radius. This is the apothem. We're going to need that for our formula. 1/2 a times p. P is the perimeter. To get the perimeter, we're going to need the side length, which is s right there. So away we go. We need to get this angle right there to start this out. So to do it, we're going to take 360 and divide by the number of sides, which is 10. The reason you do that is because it's like a circle in here. I only have that little part of the polygon drawn, but in here it'd be a circle all the way around, which is 360. If I divide by 10, I get 36. So that's what that angle is. Well, I'm going to use this little right angle right there, so I'm going to split that in half. So if I divide by 2, I get 18. So that's the angle I want right there. And I have that little right triangle. Okay? So now I can use trigonometry. All right, so our old friend So, Ka, and Toa comes into play. So it looks like we're going to need two of them. We have a hypotenuse, okay? So that means we can use So or Ka. I'm going to need that A and that X right there. So let's start with the Ka. That's adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's A over 5. So it'd be cosine 18 equals the adjacent side, A, over the hypotenuse 5. All right, you have to take your 5, you bring it over there and you multiply. So it'd be 5 times cosine 18. Okay, you type that into your calculator and you get 4.76 if you round it, okay? So that's the A right there. This one's 4.76, okay? I need that for the formula. The last thing I need is the perimeter. Right there, I need the side length. I'll multiply it by 10. That'll give me the perimeter. So if I can get that piece, then I'll be good to go. So this one's going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so that's sine. So sine 18 equals the opposite, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which is 5. Basically the same as that one, except sine instead of cosine. You multiply by 5. 5 times sine 18, this is what x is going to be, and that's 1.55 if I round it, okay? So right there, 1.55. So I got my two things I need. I'm going to have to double that to get the side length right there, right? So if I take that and double it, what do you end up with? You get 3.1, I believe. Okay, so there's your side length. Now we're ready to find area for the whole thing. We got 1/2 times the apothem. The apothem was 4.76. Okay, times the perimeter. Perimeter is the side, 3.1 times 10, because there's 10 sides. So 10 times 3.1. Type all that in your calculator, crunch the numbers, and you end up with 73.5, and it's square feet. There's our answer, okay? So, since we're going to do circles later on, I'm going to show you a little juggling action with the rings. There you have it.